नहीं, वो मुझे किसी की जासूसी, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है किसी की जासूसी करने मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ.
For Kareena Kapoor Khan, ladies and gentlemen. The ever so gorgeous Kareena Kapoor Khan. Welcome. So good to see you. And साथ में यहाँ पे I'd like to invite on stage someone who's revolutionized the Indian television space, ladies and gentlemen, and of course the movies, and she's been ruling the digital domain as well. Give it up for Ekta R. Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen, the producer Sahiba, she's here. We can do better. We can make some more noise, yeah. सीटियां तो बज रही थी, मेरे को पता है यहाँ पे. Welcome, welcome, Ekta. So good to see you. Thank you so much. And now, as I said, ये जो भी परोसते हैं बड़े कमाल का परोसते हैं, ladies and gentlemen. इनका काम बड़ा credible होता है और जब जब बड़े पर्दे पे देखते हैं वो incredible बन जाता है. Give it up for the maverick director Hansal Mehta, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir. And I would like to congratulate the entire team here. And of course, we have these wonderful people here. Kareena, I'd like to start with you. You know, this is your year. Definitely, this is your year. First, it was Crew, जो कि box office को आपने दी. उसके बाद, of course, the Buckingham Murders, the most awaited project of this year, and now aane wala hai Singham again. So first of all, talk to us about this journey of yours, 2.5 decades as the leading lady of the Indian film industry.
I think I should leave that to all my dear senior journalists and friends who've known me since I was like, I think probably that, hanging around on Lolo's sets, asking Komal ji also, what are the collections of this movie, that movie. So I've grown up in wanting to be on the big screen, wanting to act all my life. जैसे मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि acting मेरी रगों में दौड़ रहा है, मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती, मैं कैमरा के सामने आना is something that I just live for. It's my passion, and I want to keep doing it till, I don't know, forever and ever.
Forever, I'm sure.
Jaise, I think this is a film which is very, very special to, I think, all of us, because I think आज के दौर में language doesn't really matter. आप कौन से भाषा में film बना रहे हैं, वो इतना मायने नहीं रखता है. आप क्या बना रहे हो, that is what is important. तो आप देखिए कि हमने क्या बनाया है, दिल से बनाया है. I'd like to thank the first person actually is my dear Ekta, who actually had the belief and the guts to always stand by me, to always say that, okay, fine, we're going to do this, we're going to do it together. And whatever we've done, we've always been super successful. And I'm very confident again this time that it's going to be fabulous. She truly has been the backbone. Of course, this film wouldn't have been what it is without the man himself, the captain of the ship. I think the way he's shot it, the way he's made me also kind of, be the character, made me feel, made me so comfortable. We made this film, I think, with something that we wanted to do. We loved the story idea, we loved the script. When Hansal sent it to me, I was like, we have to make this. I think we made it happen. That is what is most important. And I'm so happy that in my career graph, I've had the opportunity to work with him, because I've worked with so many directors. And I'm so happy that this is in a film where I think this character is more special to me. So thank you so much. And that's it. I just hope you guys love it, and I'm sure you will.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Kareena Kapoor Khan, of course, the superstar. We did talk about that. But Kareena Kapoor Khan, the producer, talk to us about that.
The producer is here.
Kareena, you have produced this film.
Yes.
I have produced this film. How? I have only listened to Hansal and Ekta. I don't listen to anyone else. That's all. So I produced it by believing in the script.
Yes,
That's what.
the biggest internationally all women producers who've gone ahead and turned producers is because they've wanted to make films they believe in. And then they've got million, billion dollar companies after that. This is your beginning.
I hope
Reese with
so.
a spoon?
I'll get the next Balaji. Okay, that's mine. Promise me.
Bigger, bigger and better.
We are manifesting awesomeness, ladies and gentlemen, on this stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां, of course, for this team.
I
वो
also
सीटियां
want
कहाँ
to
गई?
add one thing that, you know, I think most people love to watch a good crime thriller, you know. जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाषा की मायने नहीं होती कि क्या है आप, you know, तमिल, तेलुगु, हिंदी, इंग्लिश किस में बात कर रहे हो. Everybody enjoys watching a good whodunit. At least for me, I have been crazy about watching detective shows. So actually for me, I've done this film because I wanted to be a detective. I wanted to solve that murder. Now what the murder is, how it's related to the character is, of course, I think this big emotional journey which I have gone through, which I want each one of you all to see. But yeah, watch it for a great, great fun experience of a crime thriller.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing that. Ekta, this one's for you as a producer. You've produced and backed some of the most wonderful projects. Of course, we talk about commercial pot boilers. We've seen all of that on the big screen. Here, you know, edge of the seat thriller with this Kamal ki cast and of course the maverick director. How did this unfold for you? Tell us about that.
So, I mean, just because it's a credible entertainer, how is it not commercial?
Okay, I take my
Just a basic understanding of this film. The film's full cost is covered, including P&A, and the whole theatrical worldwide in India is profit. That's how this is a commercial success from day one, which a lot of commercial pot boilers are not.
Right.
And it's all because of one actor who everyone wants. The pre-sales are brilliant because of Miss Legit Superstar Kareena Kapoor.
Whoa. She said it, yeah. She said it, ladies and
I have
gentlemen.
to say it. This is the numbers that speak, you know. And because of that, I think what we have with us is from day one, we have a super hit in our hands. And this is what a film should be.
Yeah.
It should be financially viable, credible, and when it releases in the theaters, it is a win-win for everyone. So honestly, this is far more commercial than a lot of my commercial films.
She said it. Ek baar zordar taaliyan, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, for this already super duper hit movie. Moving on to the director, Hansal Mehta Saab. Sir, we've loved your work, anything and everything that you've done. Of course, sub fan hai yahan pe. You know, working with this team, of course, the producer Sahiba, or should I say, the producer Sahibain, jo dono hai yahan pe. Of course, talk to us about them and this journey of the Buckingham murders.
You know, this film, this is a story that Ekta had heard, and she said कि you have to do it. मैं कुछ और करने वाला था, and thank God, thank you Ekta, for bringing me back into this absolutely amazing experience. I mean, this was perhaps one of the most joyful shooting experiences I have had in my, like, I have completed 30 years since I made Khana Khazana earlier this year. So for me, this has been perhaps one of the most joyous experiences of my career. Also, it's very new territory for me. So, you know, when you go to set and you challenge yourself that, okay, this is not something you have done. I mean, you make films because you thrive on those challenges. And I think that challenge really drove me. I've never made a whodunit. I've never made a murder mystery. And you know, many people think कि इनको commerce से कुछ पढ़ी नहीं है. भाई मुझे commerce से ही पढ़ी है. मतलब if my films don't make money, if my producer is not financially viable, I have no business making films. You know, so I think all of us want a film that one is financially viable, where the budgets first don't fail. You know, because I believe budgets fail, films don't. And then to make a film that is so engaging, so entertaining, and to have a star, I mean, this is again, something that Ekta facilitated. Without her, I wouldn't have even met Kareena. I used to see her, I used to live in the same building. She used to go for Christmas. And she would just walk past me, take the lift, and I would look, Acha, Kareena Kapoor, abhi, she just took the lift. So I got to work with, I mean, there is something about, there's a quality that stars possess. And I've experienced it firsthand.
Wow.
And beyond that, I have been blessed with working with some really great, wonderful actors. And I mean, Kareena is one of the best actors we have
Wow, sir.
today. And her stardom just draws you to the screens, but her performances have ensured that 25 years, 50 years, an actor will always be alive. Stardom can fluctuate, but your talent will never die. And I mean, she is a absolute powerhouse.
Wow, sir. Wow. The most credible superstar, ladies and gentlemen, Kareena Kapoor Khan and this incredible team. Ek baar zordar taliyan. I'll come to you for your questions, but before that, we'll have a quick photo op with this team, yeah? इसी का इंतजार था ना? हो जाए. I'll take it. Thank you. Come, we'll quickly do this, okay?
Hey everyone, congratulations first of all, Hansal sir, Kareena and Ekta. Here I am, Namita Sachdev from Filmy. My question goes to you, Kareena. Firstly, congratulations, back-to-back hits aap de rahe ho. Now from playing Geet in Jab We Met to now playing Jazz, both are Sadani's character. I can easily relate because I'm also a Punjabi. So what traits of Geet would we going to be see in this Jazz, or aap totally change ho chuke ho?
No, I don't think so, because I think that was a completely different film. And also, I think up to an actor to, do different. It doesn't matter if you're playing the same authenticity of a religion. Like if I'm a Sikhni, it doesn't mean that I'm going to be Bhatinda wali Sikhni. I should also be able to play the detective Jas Bamra and still be different. So I think that's up to an actor to kind of, showcase different parts. It's important. Like I played prostitute in Chameli, but at the same time in Talash. But if you put both of them together, they're completely different. So I think same like this also, it's a completely different character. I don't know, let's leave that for you guys to find out, na?
Ma'am, I'll come to you.
Hi, Kareena.
Oh, I think
This
you wanted
side.
to ask
हंसल जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि अगर अभी हाल फिलहाल की फिल्मों की बात करें तो एक सावी में एक कैरेक्टर था जो सब चीज़ तोड़कर अपने हस्बैंड के लिए फाइट करती है, और वो भी देश के बाहर। दूसरी फिल्म मैं कहना चाहूँगी जहानवी कपूर की है, जो उलझ थी, जिसमें वो IAS ऑफिसर बनी है और वहाँ जाकर वो उलझ जाती है कुछ चीज़ों में। लेकिन इसमें दिखाया गया है आपने कि एक लेडी ऑफिसर है जो, या स्पाई बोल सकते हैं, वो लड़ रही है एक इसके लिए, केस के लिए। लेकिन जैसा कि आपका हमने रिकॉर्ड देखा है, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में बनाई हैं आपने। शाहिद जैसी फिल्म बनाई है जिसके लिए नेशनल अवार्ड मिला है। तो ये जो मर्डर मिस्ट्री है, इसमें एक बहुत सेंसिटिव इशू भी जुड़ा हुआ है, इसीलिए मैंने शाहिद का जिक्र किया। तो इन दोनों को स्क्रिप्ट के लेवल पे और डायरेक्शन में एक साथ करना कितना डिफिकल्ट था?
देखिए, हर फिल्म में ना आप स्क्रिप्ट से तब जुड़ते हो जब स्क्रिप्ट में एक ऐसा एक इमोशन होता है जिससे आप जुड़ जाते हो, एक कैरेक्टर होता है जिसकी जर्नी के साथ आप जुड़ जाते हो। तो शाहिद की एक अलग जर्नी थी जिससे इमोशनली मैं जुड़ गया था, जिसकी वजह से वो फिल्म जैसी थी वैसी बनी। इसमें भी जस के कैरेक्टर के साथ में जुड़ गया था। उसका डिटेक्टिव होना और मर्डर मिस्ट्री में शामिल होना उसके कैरेक्टर के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी था, उसकी कैरेक्टर की जर्नी को दिखाने के लिए। तो पहले तो मेरे लिए हमेशा होता है कि कैरेक्टर है, उसकी इमोशनल जर्नी क्या है, मुझे दिखना चाहिए कि मैं इमोशनली इस फिल्म को कैसे कहाँ से कहाँ ले जाऊँगा, क्योंकि बाकी चीज़ें प्लॉट होती है और वो क्राफ्ट से वो मतलब उतना मैंने कुछ 25-26 सालों में थोड़ा बहुत सीख लिया है, वो उतना कर लेता हूँ। लेकिन वो कैरेक्टर की जर्नी जब तक ना हो, जब तक इमोशनली इन्वॉल्व ना हो, और वो कहीं भी हो, मुंबई में हो, लंदन में हो, ज़रूरी ये होता है कि उसको मैं ऑथेंटिक तरीके से मतलब लंदन में रहने वाला सोचेगा कि ये फिल्म हम लोगों की है, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो देखेगा उसे भी एक माँ का इमोशन यूनिवर्सल है, उस इमोशन से दुनिया जुड़ जाएगी। मैं इसको मतलब इसलिए पैन इंडिया भी नहीं, हमने हिंदी वर्जन भी बनाया फिल्म का, मैं इस फिल्म को पैन इंडिया नहीं पैन वर्ल्ड फिल्म समझता हूँ, ये सब समझ सकते हैं इसको।
Because I think a mother's emotion has no language. It's a feeling. So, and Jazz is a mother, and it's also her journey apart from the investigation. So, I think me being a mother myself understands the fact that माँ के प्यार का तो कोई भाषा नहीं होता उसकी आँखों में है उसका प्यार, उसका दर्द आँखों से दिखता है, nothing else. No? That's important.
And I think, you can see Kareena, her eyes speak more than any dialogue in the film. मतलब उनकी आँखों में मतलब 1000 कहानियाँ हैं और 1000 दर्द है, वो मतलब उनमें बहुत सारी बैक स्टोरीज है, आप खुद ही बनाओगे उनको, इतना मतलब खूबसूरत परफॉर्म किया है। आई मीन शी हैज सो मच टू ऑफर।
जैज़ भी एक मदर है फिल्म में, तो आपने कैसे कनेक्ट किया विद दैट कैरेक्टर, बिकॉज शी इज़ ऑल्सो सफरिंग फ्रॉम हर पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स वाइल शी इज़ सॉल्विंग हर मर्डर केस। वैसे ही रियल लाइफ में भी पर्सनल फ्रंट पे भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें चल रही होती है, और प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट पे यू आर रॉकिंग एज ऑलवेज, सो हाउ डू यू डू दैट?
I think that is what connected me to the character, which I felt was that it was the emotion and her emotional arc which I wanted to portray on screen, apart from also, her being one of my favorite characters to play, which is a detective. So somehow it just had so much soul in it that I felt that this is the right time for me to feel this character and to play it. Also, it would be very different from, whether it was Crew or whether it was Jaane Jaan, which also happened this year. And I feel it is a duty of every actor to also try to keep doing something differently over and over again. And that is something which I love doing. So, as far as also your next question, which was balancing personal and professional, I don't know. I think I enjoy that hustle of, working at the same time, of being a mother and a wife. I love it. They were there at the shoot. I mean, Jay was at least at the shoot.
He took away my continuity prop.
There also news, Kareena, कि
डायरी
हाँ करीना here, जैसे भी जैक और तैमूर का जिक्र करा गया, क्या जो आपके ऑन स्क्रीन सन हैं और तैमूर दोनों दोस्त भी हैं? Are they friends?
No, not at all. That's not true. They completely. Taimur was not even at the shoot.
Okay. What is the most challenging part? जब हम बात करते हैं अंसल मेहता साहब की एक अलग तरह का सिनेमा बनाते हैं, और आपकी जब हम बात करते हैं, आपने शायद ही कोई सिनेमा छोड़ा होगा जो आपने नहीं किया होगा, विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट अंसल सर की तरफ से, तो आपके लिए क्या चैलेंजिंग? सही है
आपको,
सही है,
देख लो। अच्छा, अभी नोट कर लिया।
तो व्हाट इज द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट व्हाइल वर्किंग विद अंसल सर, क्योंकि ये एक अलग तरह का सिनेमा है और एक अलग तरह की तैयारी है।
I wouldn't say that एक अलग तरह का सिनेमा है. I think जैसे आज देखा जाए तो I don't think there is कि ये ऐसे सिनेमा है because it is this kind of a song and dance film, so we should put it in a box कि ये mass picture है, ये अच्छी picture है तो लोग देखेंगे. And we have I think there's nobody better than to make this film which has such amazing content at the same time as emotion than Hansal himself, because I think the way he has shot it and stuck to the authenticity of the film, which is वो लंदन में रहने वाली है, her life is in UK, so when you live there you talk to people in English only. तो जो कैरेक्टर्स वहाँ के हैं, जो हिंदी जानते हैं हम हिंदी बात कर रहे हैं, जो अंग्रेज़ी है अंग्रेज़ी बात कर रहे हैं. So it's a different mix, and I think he's been perfect to shoot this film and make this film with the emotion. नहीं, वो मुझे किसी की जासूसी, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है किसी की जासूसी करने मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ में.
आप लोग छोड़ते नहीं हो जासूस के लिए, जगह ही नहीं छोड़ते हो.
ट्रिपल के है, ट्रिपल सक्सेसफुल है, बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई ऑलवेज से दिस, पिक्चरें 3 चीज़ों की वजह से चलती है: एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट. और ये एंटरटेनमेंट है ऑफ द legit credible order.
Lovely. और ये क्वीन ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट है, ladies and gentlemen.